Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 2 and name of the chapter 2 is the components of food. What is the name of the chapter? Name of the chapter is the components of food. I am teaching chapter 2, components of food. Components of food. So composition, yesterday I told you food groups, and in that food groups I told you energy giving food, what is the bodybuilding food, and what is the protective foods. And in energy giving foods I told you cereals, sugar, jaggery, potato, sweet potato, honey, oil and fat. And then in bodybuilding foods I told you milk, pulses, cheese, eggs, fish and meat. And in the protective food I tell you fruits, green leafy vegetables, that is the spinach, cabbage, cauliflower, other vegetables, milk and eggs. So these are the food groups: energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods and protective foods. Now I will tell you composition of some food items. Composition of some food items, that is the composition of some food items. Composition of some food items. So this is the, you can see that in this table I will tell you nutrients in the different food items, how much nutrients are present in the different food items. So you can see that first food item is the rice, and proteins are present in this 10%, carbohydrates 70%, fats traces. Then in milk and curd, protein 3%, carbohydrates 3%, fats 3%, pulses 20%, carbohydrate 60%, fats, that is the traces. And in apple 0.5% proteins are present, 15% carbohydrates are present and traces, that fats is the traces. And in orange 1% proteins are present, carbohydrates 11% present and fats, that is the traces. Ghee, proteins, traces, carbohydrates and fats are present 95 to 100%. Sugar, in sugar proteins are present nil and carbohydrates 100% and fats 0. In eggs proteins are present 13% proteins are present and carbohydrate traces and fats 13% fats are present. And in meat and fish you can see that 20% proteins are present, carbohydrates traces and fats traces. Nuts 20% present, carbohydrates 20% present and fats 50% present. What is the, now I will tell you what is the balanced diet. What is the balanced diet? What is the balanced diet? So I will tell you about the balanced diet. You know that it is just not sufficient that our food contains all the nutrients. Our body requires balanced quantities of different nutrients, that is the proteins, carbohydrates, fats, mineral salt, water, roughage, and for its proper growth and maintenance. And deficiency of one or two food items, it can cause particular different kind of diseases. So what is the balanced diet? A diet containing, what is the balanced diet? A diet containing all the nutrients, a diet containing all the nutrients in their proper quantities is known as the balanced diet. Means in this group, in balanced diet, all the food items, that is carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, roughages, they are present in the adequate quantity. They are present in the adequate quantity means all the food items are present in the proper way, in the appropriate manner. Not one, just like carbohydrate is not present high, means whether it is proteins, whether it is carbohydrates, whether it is fats, all the food items are present in the appropriate way. So this is called the balanced diet. What it is called? It is called the balanced diet. And you know that in balanced diet, it contains energy giving foods, it contains bodybuilding foods, and it contains protective food. So the balanced diet of a 10 to 12-year-old child may consist of 2 cups of cooked cereals. A balanced diet, I will tell you, of 10 to 12-year-old child. So they will take 2 cups of cooked cereals, half a cup of cooked pulses, 2 cups of milk, a small quantity of cooked green leafy vegetables, and seasonal fruit. Any kind of seasonal fruit if they will take. So this is a balanced diet of a 10 to 12 years old child. And a balanced diet varies with age, health, and occupation. For example, a laborer doing manual works, and it can needs more carbohydrates and fats in his diet, which would provide him more energy. And a young child needs to take more proteins as they help in body building. So effect of cooking on nutrients. You know that selecting and eating the right kind of food is not enough. It should be cooked properly, and cooking improves the taste of the food and makes it easily digestible. Why we are cooking food? Because if we will cook the food, then it can easily digestible and it becomes tasty. And for example, vitamin C gets easily destroyed by heat during cooking. Vitamin C, which food contains vitamin C? If we will heat that food items, then it will spoil. By heating, it gets spoiled. So it is therefore advised to include vitamin C. It is present in the fruits and raw vegetables in our diet. And in case of rice, it is a common practice to use excess water during cooking and then throw off the extra water. And this results in loss of the nutrients. Certain pre-cooking practices also bring about a loss of nutrients, and the skin in case of many fruits and vegetables, it contains vitamins and minerals. And now we will discuss about the basic food groups. What is the basic food group? So all food groups are divided into the 4 following categories. These are the first one is the milk group. What is the first one? First one is the milk group. And second one is the pulses and meat group. Pulses and meat group. Pulses and meat group. Bread and cereal group. What is the third? Bread and cereal group. Bread and cereal group. And fourth one is the fruits and vegetables. Fourth one is the fruits and vegetables group. Fruits and vegetables group. So these are the basic food groups: milk group, pulses and meat group, and bread and cereal group, and fruits and vegetable group. So till here all of you take revision. And yesterday I told you about the energy giving foods and bodybuilding foods and protective foods, and today I discussed about the balanced diet and why we are cooking food and these groups. So all of you take revision till here. How much I have given? Chapter 1 I have given, and you have to write in GSC copy. and this is the chapter 2, and till here you have to read.